How to print a PDF on both sides of the page. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can print a double-sided PDF. But before getting started, I want you to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing that you need to do now is go ahead and open up your PDF using Adobe Acrobat. So I'm just going to open it up, and once you open up your PDF, you're just going to click on this print button or just press Ctrl+P. And once you do that, it will open up your print menu. And from here, once your print menu is open, you can adjust all of your settings and properties. So from here, you can just click on this pages to print and select the pages that you want to print. Adjust the size and handling, and then make sure that you choose paper source by PDF page size. And after doing all of this, you can just click on properties and it will show you all of the properties for your PDF. Click on advanced and you can also make all of these available copies. And after doing that, you should find the print on both side option somewhere right here. My Acrobat reader is not up to date, but if it is on your side of the computer, you can choose print on both sides here on the page. And after doing that, you can just click on print and your PDF will be printed on the both side of the page. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.